So this pump in the back is not working. You can see here that the lights are on my outlet tester, so there's power at the outlet. We have, first hint was water right here. And then looking in the pit rather, there's a pump, but it's completely submerged. The float switch looks like it's hitting the side of the container, just as I had said might be, but I was thinking about those umbilicals. We moved it away. I moved it away a little bit, and so this pump is free and clear to turn on, and she's not turning it on at all. So this pump is not working. No doubt about it.